What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Matt Trades Life, and in today's video we are going over my very first week live trading, not paper trading, on Thinkorswim, and mainly trading options. And I want to give us a little bit of the lay of the land on what you can expect from these kind of videos going forward, and how everything will shape out for the month of April. So what's going on is, as you know, I was paper trading an account for about a month or so, maybe 2 months. And I decided to rip that Band-Aid off and test all of those strategies under real emotions with my own capital from things that I've learned from the Invest-A-Trade course and other various YouTubers that offers free education online. So that's what I've been doing. And as you can see by this trading calendar so far, not too bad. And we would actually be severely green if it wasn't for this awful day on Wednesday where, I can't lie, my emotions got into play, and I pretty much gave back everything that I had earned that day. So I will say I'm no longer paper trading. This is a real account. This is my own capital. And as this channel grows and as my trading gets better, I'm going to be doing live trading, but also trade recaps. So let's go over everything to start. I know we had a shortened week because Friday, April 7th was Good Friday, so the market was closed. And then Monday the 10th, which is today, markets were back open. So as you can see, I traded on Monday, which actually worked out pretty well. And you're going to see that the main ticker here that I trade is Tesla. It's one that I've been watching for a while, both paper trading before that and then live trading. So it's what I'm comfortable with. I'm not saying that I can predict the moves, but I can better understand them and chart the support and resistance, supply and demand levels. I've also been using Fibonacci retracements that have helped me better gauge entry and exit points as well, on top of those supply, demand, support, resistance zones. So as you can see here, this was April 3rd. We took 3 trades total for 22 total contracts, and not too bad. We only lost 20 bucks. I think that was when I went long on a position. I'm very short bias, and being short actually helps me out tremendously, which is nice in terms of the time frames that I'm looking to trade on. So you'll notice here on Tuesday, we were up a decent amount in the morning as well, 175, virtually gave it all back. Made roughly 30 bucks. So at this point, I am revenge trading. I'm aware of that. My emotions and my ego are in the way. And we had an overall, loss on $70 on that day as well, which netted me about 10 bucks. And after fees and taxes, I basically made nothing. And then April 5th, this is the D-Day, I want to call it. And arguably my worst day trading so far. Again, ego, emotions coming into play, not helping me whatsoever. 60 bucks lost on a short position, held on way too long, guys. And as you could tell, stopped out for a $618 loss, which again, ego got in the way. I thought it would come back. I can't be wrong. I'm better than the market. I'm smarter than the market. And you can see how that bit me in the ass. Thankfully, had a decent trade of $398 that brought me out of the dungeon somewhat for a total loss of $280. Way worse than, the 680 bucks, but it is what it is. Same thing here. This was a day of over trading. And as you could tell, gave it all back. Ego in the way again. Strictly thinking I can make more and do better than what I'm doing. And these are all very rookie mistakes. And I know this is a very vague and quick overview, but I'm going over my personal notes that I've taken. And as this channel goes on, guys, you can expect more in-depth reviews. But not the best. Ego in the way, my own emotions in the way. It was a killer. But today, April 10th, was when it turned around. 450 bucks on Tesla short, $75 on Tesla long, and then this Bud Light trade, Anheuser-Busch. I was short. I was actually up about $35, and I held on to it a little too long. There was not a lot of volume in this stock. There was a news catalyst about them and their controversial can. So yeah, that was my overall day today, guys. Pretty good. So as you can see, we're up pretty decent. I know the reports don't really show much because I'm on the free version of this. But we're doing good so far, and I definitely am thankful for what's going on in my trading so far. And this is everything. So, guys, be sure to subscribe because the next video coming up, we're going to be doing more trade recaps like this on this small account challenge, and how far I can stretch the $5,000 that I've started. So, more in-depth videos to come, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.